I felt really bad about what we'd done. All I was an assassin. That's it. I was just a fucking murderer. Murderer for the state, and I was murdering innocent people, and I was hunting down innocent people. I was the 200th dragon to join the JSOC operations. As a sensor operator's job is to make sure that I back up the pilot on all of his stuff. I control the camera. I make sure that everything is being seen in the clearest possible way. And when it's time to strike the enemy, I paint the target with the laser and I guide the missile to its target. That was my job. I did it for 6 years and I got an honorable discharge as a staff sergeant. When normal soldiers get into a firefight, they expect it, they're trained, right? You know, blitz, blam, boom, adrenaline, all that type of bullshit. Well, with drones, they tell you who you're going to kill before you do it. You have to watch these people. You watch them live out their lives, you watch them hang their laundry, kiss their wives, play with their children, just like normal fucking people do. And so, when I showed up to work that day, they told me that I was going to kill this person. They told me. And I kept thinking, I tried to avoid it. I tried to. I asked to not, and I had to. It was either that or I was gonna go to jail. Well, I'm gonna go to jail anyway. It just took fucking 13 years. It was disgusting, but I wanted my country. I always believed in, justice. I always believed in honor. I always believed in the warrior codes. And so I still tried to stay in the military and try to find a better position for me. And the military.
U.S. drone strikes in Somalia have spiked this year and are on pace to more than double the number that were carried out in 2019. But whereas the U.S. military has admitted to only 2 civilian casualties in the course of its decade-long aerial bombardment campaign against the extremist group Al-Shabaab, local Somalian media outlets estimate the death toll to have exceeded several hundred. Over the course of the past several weeks, we have collected video testimonies from U.S. drone strike survivors who have each recently fled their homes for the relative safety of an IDP camp located on the outskirts of Mogadishu. These are the victims of the United States secretive drone war in their own words.
midna walaashay dhashay midna waryaraan u ahaa
bal markii seygaaga diyaaradda madaafiicdiisa
ay tuuraysay
uu geeriyooday waad aragtimeedkiisa haddaadii bal sida noloshaada ay noqotay
soo saas u yeelan ka soo carar maxaan ka qaban karnaa annaga afal nafta la soo baqnay xoolaheena meesha ku soo baanbadarkiisaas wixii la gubo iyo wixii lagu maxay tahay baaba'an ay kala noqdeen nafteena la soo cararnay waxaan dareennay in guryaheena baaba'een xoolaheena baaba'een beeraheena baaba'een godkeena baaba'een ilmaheena dhibaato loo geesto anaga dhan aan dhibaatownay dhibaato meesha naga soo cararsay maanta dabacna ma haysano guryana ma haysano meelaan aadmino ma haysano meelaan tagno ma haysano meelaan
maxaad dareentay marka
aad baa u dareemay driskeena ayadeena way dhimatay islaamka la habarta lugtay ka gooday dhifar badan uu soo gaaray duqaanta ku dhimataa firra soo gaaray inta ka wadno ugu dhacay wallahi duqaanta markii bilaawad xaalada aad u xukuumad waxaan huwa taas soo dawaashta wax kooda ku dhintibo lama ku dhimatay